Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily Integrately tutorials. In today's video, we'll see how to connect Google Sheets with ClickFunnels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automatically send data from your Google Sheets into ClickFunnels, keeping your funnels and records perfectly in sync. Let's dive right in. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. First, select Google Sheets as the trigger application, and then choose ClickFunnels as the action application. Next, locate the automation that creates a new contact in ClickFunnels whenever a new row is added in Google Sheets, and click Activate. Now connect your Google Sheets account and specify the spreadsheet along with the worksheet that will serve as the trigger. If needed, add a condition to refine your trigger. We'll set one up here and then move forward. Next, connect your ClickFunnels account by entering your subdomain and API access token, then select the appropriate team and workspace ID. Inside the Automation Builder, expand the Search Contact step and map the email address from your Google Sheet. Finally, test the workflow to make sure everything runs smoothly, and then turn on your automation. That's it. You've just learned how to connect Google Sheets with ClickFunnels using Integrately. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description for more details. Stay tuned for next automation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.